In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add customized text on CapCut PC. If you want your video titles, captions, and text overlays to feel more unique and professional, CapCut PC gives you a very simple way to do it. In this walkthrough, we'll go from adding a basic text layer to customizing the look and adding animations so the text stands out clearly on screen. To begin, create your text layer by going to the Text tab in the top left menu bar. Once you're there, look under AD Text and find the default text block. Click and drag that text block straight down onto your timeline and place it on the track lane 2, directly above your video clip. Putting the text on the track above your footage makes it appear as an overlay, which is exactly what you want for titles or captions. Next, it's time to type and style your message. Click on the text block you just added in the timeline so it becomes highlighted. Then move over to the top right Properties panel. Under the Text and Basics section, you'll see a text box where you can enter your custom message. Type in whatever text you want to display on screen. After that, use the Font drop-down to choose a bold font if you want the text to feel stronger and easier to read. You can also select a bright text color to help it stand out, especially if your video background is busy or dark. If you want a faster option, you can choose one of CapCut's preset styles, which can save time while still giving your text a polished look. Now let's make the text stand out even more. In the same right side panel, scroll down until you see options like stroke and shadow. If you check the box for stroke, CapCut adds a clean outline around your text, which is great for improving readability. You can also enable shadow to give the text more depth and make it feel less flat on screen. These small adjustments can make a big difference, especially when your text sits over moving video. To animate your text, click the Animation tab at the top of the right panel. Then go into the In section, where you can choose how the text first appears. Try an entry effect like typewriter for a more dynamic reveal, or fade in for something smooth and subtle. Once you've picked your animation, press the spacebar to preview your video and watch your customized text in action. You're all set, and that's how to add customized text on CapCut PC.